Let's get back to simpler time, back when the living was good.
Hey, what's up guys? Hoss here. So, want to just do a quick inspection of the beehive. The past couple times I've been in it, I didn't spend a lot of time looking for eggs and brood and all that stuff, and I haven't found the queen yet. So, want to crack it open today and see what we can see. So yeah, let's get over here and get this thing open. Oh, and I want to show you guys. I promised Becker's Backyard Homestead I'd put something up about the little tool tote that I built for my beehive tools. I don't know if you saw the video the other day of the tool tote that I built, but it's similar to that. I'll link that video up here. But so it's just a nice little small thing. I don't have a lot of bee tools, so it works just fine for me. I've got my hive tool, the lighter for lighting the smoker, some jars of sugar water, my gloves. I don't have an actual bee brush. I have an old paintbrush, but so far I haven't had to use it. So, and then a spray bottle with some sugar water, and then my smoker just kind of clips onto the end there, so I can just carry it around and I don't have to fit it down in the toolbox or anything. But yeah, so that's my toolbox, my bee box. So anyways, just I like it. I thought it was interesting, so I figured I'd share it with you guys. But anyways, all right, let me get dressed up here and we'll get into the hive here and see what's going on. Alright guys, well that's that. They've got 10 full combs built out right now. They're working on number 11, so I'll probably leave them at that for right now. I'll come back in next week and give them a few more top bars to work with. We do got some brood comb going on in there. What looked to be eggs. I didn't see the queen, but also my first time keeping bees, so that doesn't necessarily surprise me. So anyways, that's what we got for this week. Hope y'all liked it. Please like, share, and subscribe, all that good stuff. Comment down below. Like to hear what y'all think. Yeah, things are looking good, y'all. Things are looking good. Alright y'all, well we'll catch you on the next one. Remember guys, get out and do something.